Back in the hunter-gatherer days of our evolution, our ancestors needed to be able to react swiftly to stressful physical situations. This fight or flight response was designed to give us instant energy for a short period of time. Today, it is everyday pressures, not physical situations, that initiate this response in us. I'm Lisa Raleigh, and today on Matrix Uploaded, I want to talk to you about the S word. So we all have experienced the symptoms of stress, but why do we feel that way, and where does this feeling come from? At the first signs of danger, chemicals called adrenaline and cortisol are stimulated into production. These temporarily improve our eyesight and our hearing, increase our lung capacity, and focus our thoughts. These are good things, right? Well, something else happens as well. Our appetite is suppressed, and the digestive system shuts off temporarily to allow blood to be used in other parts of our body, apart from the internal organs. Your heart rate and blood pressure climb, and fat and carbohydrates are stored quickly for energy. Your insulin production is also increased and encourages the body to store fat in the abdomen where it can easily be used. These responses would be fine if our only sources of stress were physical, but today we barely react physically to stressful situations and instead suffer the side effects of remaining stationary. You are sitting at your desk, it's late at night, and time is ticking towards your next exam. You are desperate to cram in as much information as possible before you write, but nothing seems to be sticking and you feel overwhelmed. Your heart starts pounding, the fat and the carbohydrates that should be used for this so-called battle or run is now being mobilized, but the energy goes unused and is redeposited as belly fat. When the immediate stress is over, cortisol lingers around to help bring the body back into balance by increasing your appetite to replace the fat and the carbs we should have burnt while responding physically to the stress. Don't get me wrong, moderate levels of stress can help you to do exactly what it was designed to do. Focus better, work faster, and be more physically capable. Excessive stress, however, can cause excessive fatigue, weight loss or gain, a racing heart rate, anxiety, forgetfulness, and a lower immune system. If you learn how to relieve your stress, you can enjoy the benefits of stress without letting it control your life. Exercise is a great physical solution to stress, and as little as 10 minutes will relieve those symptoms. A healthy diet is always a must, so don't skip meals no matter how busy you may be. Head outdoors for some fresh air and natural inspiration as well. Make sure you get at least 10 minutes of me time, where you can do exactly what you want to do and just relax and unwind. And remember to get plenty of rest, because too little sleep increases your cortisol levels. And my favorite tip, blow bubbles. It's an easy way and relaxing way to take in some deep breaths and forget your worries. So that's all from me, Lisa Raleigh. Till next time on Matrix Uploaded.